Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to get voice changer on TikTok. So you might have came across in some videos on TikTok where the voice of the one who posted it edited their own voice and made it into a high pitch and sometimes low, and the others make it robotic or to whatever they like. In this video I will teach you how to do that. Okay, so for the first step, let's go ahead and open TikTok. And once you've opened TikTok, you will be seeing a plus button on the bottom middle of the screen. Just go ahead and tap it. And you will be able to create a content. And on this part, you can either shoot a video or upload an existing one for editing. But in this video, I will just use an existing one. Okay. And once you're here, you may now edit the video. And as you can see, you are given the options on the right side of your screen. And on the options, you will be seeing audio editing. And that's the one we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped it, you will be seeing these options. The ones that you can use to edit your voice or to edit the sound of the video itself. As you can see, there's chipmuni, baritone, mic, megaphone, robot, and you can also voice over the video by using this record button. Over, and if you want to change it, you can just select one, just like this one, and tap on the record button. And once done, you can either replace original sound with recording, or if you've edited the sound of the video itself, you can just go ahead and press save. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.